Hey love, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a simple makeup, a makeup that everyone can relate it to, even a beginner. If you're starting, you can relate it to this makeup. So after that, I went ahead to use my eye primer on my lid and blend it well into my skin, and later went into my eyeshadow palette, that is Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and I used the black shade in there to draw a line, a wing line at the outer V, and fade out that black into my lid. Later use a brown color on the lid and blend everything together. Please, we don't want to see any line of demarcation, so let the color marry each other well. So that is all about the eye look. A beginner can also create this look, very simple and easy to do. So that is all about it. So after I finished with my eye, I went ahead to use my Kiss Beauty face serum and apply it on my face and massage it into the skin well before my moisturizer. And please let all the products sit well on the skin before you move on with any other product. So I'm just massaging the moisturizer on my skin, and please massage it well. Let the skin absorb that moisturizer because the skin need it. Okay, so after the moisturizer, I went ahead with my Bicham ageless primer on my face and also massage it into the skin. I just tap it, and please remember the under eye. We don't want that place to be matte, and that is why I not even apply my primer under the eye. Okay, so you just massage it into the skin. After my primer, I went ahead to use my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I don't know the exact shade, but I will be putting the shade in my description box. So, and please, sorry for today, I did not show most of the products on camera. Okay, but I will be listing them below so you can check the description box. So now, when it comes to foundation application, if you want to have that flawless foundation look or skin finish look, then please let your beauty blender be damped, not white, damped, and tap the foundation on your skin. Don't drag the foundation. You just have to tap. So after that, after applying the foundation, I went ahead to use my Blossom foundation in the shade 07 to contour the perimeter of my face, that is my forehead, my jawline, and my cheek as well. So I also tap and blend into my hairline. Okay, blend. When it comes to the cheek, you blend it up. You don't want to blend it down. Okay, you blend it up. So you just have to blend everything, then you are good to go. So after that, I went into my cheek lipstick palette and I used the red and the yellow color as my blush, and also blend it into the skin, and that is all. After the blush, I went into my Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige as my highlighter, and I place it under my eye, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose, and blend. Tap, you blend. Don't drag it. You tap, you blend. That is the rule over here. After blending in the concealer, I went ahead to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set all my concealers. Make sure that you use the powder to set all the concealers, okay? You set, and please don't drag the powder puff on your face. You just tap, and that is all. After I finished setting my face with the setting powder, I went ahead to use my contour palette, and I used a shade darker than me to contour my forehead. And that is, I'm setting my cream contour, okay? That is my forehead, my cheek, my jawline, and also the side of my nose, okay? So yeah. After the contouring, I went ahead to use the Sacha compact powder, and I used the exact shade of my powder to set the whole face. Please don't use too much powder. Too much powder can result into cakey makeup, okay? So after that, I went into my Ribia Beauty setting spray to set the whole face, to melt in that powder look, and later went into my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to bake, that is under my eye, and also do a reverse contour on my face. Please, this is optional, okay? If you're a beginner, you don't necessarily need to do this, okay? So after that, I went into my Karite gel liner to line my lip, and I went on top with that nude lipstick from my cheek lipstick palette. After everything, I just went into my powder palette and take off that excess powder on my face, blend everything together, and went ahead to use my setting spray again on my face. Then I went into my highlighter, and after my highlighter, I went on top with my mascara to volume up the lower lashes, okay? So yeah, that is all about this look. I hope you really enjoy today's video, and please, if you does, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. So I hope to see you in my next video. But before I go, this is just a simple look. You can try it out, and yeah, comment down below what you think about this look. I want to know. So yeah, I'm out. Bye.